As you're waking up from the windstorm overnight, you may notice some damage.
That's right. 22 News reporter Taylor DiCello is live in Hadley, where a tree took down some live power lines.
We have a light on outside here to show you what's going on in the background, but other than that, Eversource has turned off the power now, so those power lines are no longer live. And the tree company came here about 20 minutes ago. They're starting to cut up that tree that fell in someone's front yard about 2 hours ago. If you take a look behind me, you'll be able to see and actually maybe hear the saw of crews cutting down that very large tree. It fell down in someone's front yard. Sergeant Douglas Costa told 22 News it fell because of wind from the storm overnight. Part of Middle Street and Maple Avenue in Hadley are closed until it's safe to reopen the roads. We have gotten other reports of storm damage around western Massachusetts as well, and many of them have been fallen trees on downed wires. In Berkshire County, wind gusts reach almost 60 miles an hour in North Adams and Pittsfield. More than 11,000 people in the state are waking up without power this morning because of this heavy wind. Most of the outages are coming from Franklin and Worcester counties. But if you see right now out here in Hadley, the wind is still blowing pretty hard. We're going to keep you updated on this storm and as well as on when the road will be back open here on Middle Street and Maple Avenue. We're live in Hadley this morning. Taylor DiCello, 22 News.